this orangey yellow red. This is just a beautiful, beautiful display for springtime. This just about could be nap time. I am here with this enchanting ground cover. This little strawberry, Fragaria, chiloensis Aulon. This is a beach strawberry. This is a low water ground cover with shiny leaves and big blossoms. I like how showy this is. I like the flecks of color underneath this orangey yellow red. This is just a beautiful, beautiful display for springtime. This is a very low water plant that doesn't take to being watered heavily all the time. So this would have to be in a low water garden. This is a short height, but spreading by stolons, filling in areas. So this beautiful beach strawberry can be something for sun if it's not too hot, or partial shade, very good in your low water garden. And I suppose you could take a nap in it. Hi, thanks for joining me. If you found this video interesting or informative, or you think that other people might, please give me the thumbs up or subscribe on my YouTube channel. That way I'll know, and other people will know, that this is a good thing. There's a lot of treasures to explore out there, and it's fun to share them.